What's up, carnivores? Today we're making some pulled pork stuffed bacon wrapped barbecue pickle bombs. Make sure to put these at the top of your list. Y'all stick around. I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. Yeah, so in today's video, I had an idea, and somebody else may have done it. I haven't seen it if they've done it, but we're doing it today. Today we're making some pulled pork pickle bombs. I'm pretty excited about it. I think they're gonna be next level. So y'all check this out. Here's what we're gonna do. We'll get a couple pickles. I think I'm gonna make 3 of these things. We're just gonna cut them in half. Pay attention to what you're doing and slice them just as much, in half as you can. We're gonna take a spoon. We're gonna hollow out some of the seeds. And so when you take all the seeds out, you end up with a nice cavity in there, just like that. And we're going to do that on all of them, creating a nice pocket. Okay, so we've got that done, and we just put our seeds and our juice into this bowl here. Now, let me know in the comment section down below, do you have a good use for the pickle seeds and juice? I don't know if there's some kind of a dill pickle slaw or something like that somebody could make. If you've got a recipe though, let me know in the comment section below. Next step, I've got some leftover pulled pork that I made the other day for a video. If that video's out and you've seen it, you know how epic it was. But this is a great way to use leftover pulled pork. We're gonna take the pulled pork and we're gonna stuff it into the pickle. And make sure that you've got it, stuffed to the point where it's sort of maxed out. Don't like split it or anything, but just a nice little boat. And then we're gonna fit the other pickle over the top of it, like a little old barbecue pickle sandwich. That's the way my daughter says it. Almost forgot my barbecue sauce. So open that up, pour some barbecue sauce in there, and get your bacon out. This should take 1 or 2 strips of bacon per pickle, something like that. All right, so we're gonna close it up with the sauce. We're gonna start wrapping it with the bacon. Yeah, so it looks like probably on average 2 strips of bacon per pickle. We're gonna start the second piece, and we're gonna pin that with a grill pin and keep wrapping. Hit it with grill pin numero dos. Now we got a bacon wrapped pickle bomb, man. It's gonna be so stellar. Let's go ahead and do another one of these. And the last step is just to put a little barbecue seasoning on the outside. You can go with the barbecue seasoning of your choice. This is Glazing's best barbecue seasoning. This is what I use to season the Boston butt. And so it's what we're gonna put on the outside of our stuffed pickle bombs. I'm going all the way around the entire outside. This is gonna be phenomenal. And so that's that. We're gonna go ahead and get them into the pit. I'm running my pit today at 325 degrees, a little hotter. That way the bacon crisps up pretty nicely before our pickles get too soggy. And that's pretty much the determining factor on this cook is the bacon. So we're just gonna cook it until the bacon is done. If you wanna go higher on your temp, go higher on your temp. If you wanna go low on your temp, go low on your temp. Today, I'm going at 325. I think that's gonna be really nice. Let's get them on the pit. So typically bacon takes somewhere between 45 minutes to an hour 15 to cook at 325. That's really the only raw component we've got in this cook. Pickles you can eat. The pulled pork's obviously cooked. We're all good there. Just waiting on that bacon, baby. Okay, so we are exactly 40 minutes into this cook and the bacon is almost ready. That means it's time to put a little sauce, baby, a little sauce on there and see what it do. Let's get them sauced up. About 5 more minutes. Okay, so those are done. Let's get them out of the smoker, see what it do. Okay, so let's get into these and see how we did. Before we get into them, I just want to give a big shout out and thanks to Grill Pins, to Meter, to Glazing's Best, to Camp Chef, to everyone that made this video possible. Big shout out to Pitmaster Barbecue Supply for supplying us with our barbecue sauce. And, you know, to Pickles in general, because pickles always are good. And everything I do with pickles and barbecue is something that I like. So huge shout out to Pickles. Huge shout out to the carnivores. Thank you everybody that's watching this video. Let's cut these up and try them and see how we did. Yeah, baby. Let's get it. Last thing I want to do is I want to hit this up with a little bit of thinned out ranch. If you've never thinned ranch before, just put a little bit of milk in there with it. Beautiful, baby. Beautiful. Check that out. If you've ever had bacon wrapped pickles in the smoker, you know how good that is. All you need for this to be good is bacon and pickle, and we're adding in barbecue sauce, pulled pork, some ranch dressing. It's just going to be it's going to be next level, man. Let's see what it do. I'm not going to lie. You need to give it more time. Dear God, it's so hot. But man, that is exceptional. It's like I just took a good bite out of a barbecue sandwich. There's no bread, so that's good if you're into low carb. So hot. You are not going to regret making these, baby. Oh my gosh. That is phenomenal. Just try it. It was a super easy to make. You just cut a pickle in half, put some pulled pork in it, put some sauce, wrap it in bacon, put some seasoning on it, smoke it, and then coat it with a little ranch if you like ranch. If you don't like ranch, don't do it. Get you some white barbecue sauce, glaze it over there. Don't put the white stuff on there. It don't matter if you don't like that sort of thing. Don't. Just do the first several steps. Y'all, if you try this one out, let me know in the comment section below. Come over to American Smoke Carnivores on Facebook and come hang out with us. I'm in there every day. It's a great group full of barbecue-oriented people. And, you know, it's just a cool place because I try my best to kick everybody that's not cool out. You know, come in there, start being a jerk, start oversharing your stuff, anything like that, spamming the group, you're gone. Gone. Anyway, carnivores, thanks so much for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see you guys in the next video.